Hello everyone, I am Shiv Prasad and this is my project Advanced Automated Farming. Now let's see through this project. Before that, I want a special thank to DigiKey for delivering this Maxidino development kit for very fastly, and a special thanks to Circuit Digest for buying this board behalf of me, and thank you Circuit Digest. And as you can see, there is a display module here which displays the CCTV footage or surveillance wherever you place this camera, and this is the 2 pixel camera which included in this Maxidino development kit. We can place this camera wherever we need the surveillance footage. So for now I am placing this here because it's a demo. So, and here we can see there is a switch which turn on. If we turn on this, the entire project will be turned on, and here is an LED indicator which indicates the power status of our A.A.F project. And here there are 3 slots, and these 2 slots are for the devices where we actually connect plug in our devices, and these are 2 are for the relays, and this slot is for the ESP32 to connect to the external Wi-Fi, and these are the wires which actually connects to the rain sensor. Now let me power on this project, and boom, and here is the A.A.F logo, and our LED is glowing, so our project is working fine. Now let me show my A.A.F app, and this is the A.A.F app, and as you can see there are a couple of switches for controlling our devices, like these 2 are for motors, and this one for fly trap, and this one for rain sensor, and this one for lights, and this one for voice commands, because whenever we need to require our to control our devices via voice commands, then we can easily turn on or turn off this. And this is for camera, and if we turn on this, and here in this screen we can see our surveillance footage, but for now we are not connecting to anything, so that's why it's showing black. And if you close the screen, and it will come back to the original screen. Now let me connect all the devices to demonstrate our A.F working. And as you can see, this is the entire setup of our A.F project, and here I connected the 2 motors, and here the rain sensor, and here the lights, and these are the fly traps which actually catches the flies at the night time. So and I'm going to demonstrate working of our A.F project through this mobile app and voice commands too. First of all, let me turn on this, and I am turning on this, and it will eventually take a couple of seconds to connect to the Wi-Fi. And yeah, let me check by turning on our motor 1, and I am here turning on the motor 1, this mobile app. Yeah, as you can see, the motor 1 is turned on and the water is coming. And I'm going to turn off the motor 1 and turn on the motor 2. Yeah, as you can see, the motor 2 is turned on and the motor 1 is turned off, and I'm going to turn off the motor 2. Yeah, the motor 2 also turned off successfully. And yeah, and I'm going to turn on the fly traps. And the fly traps are turned on, and I'm going to turn off the fly traps, and it will take a couple of seconds, maybe due to internet delay. And here the fly traps are turned off, and I'm going to turn on the lights. And the lights are turned on successfully, and I'm going to turn off the lights. Yeah, and here, and I'm going to turn on the rain sensor and pour some water on it. Turn on rain sensor. Yeah, as you can see, as I pour the rain water, and it automatically turn on the rain sensor and the alarm. And I'm going to turn off the rain sensor here. And now let me show the surveillance, the most important specification of our A.A.F. And here I'm turning on the camera, and the second screen also open in our A.A.F. And yeah, it will take a couple of seconds. And after some time, our camera is on successfully. But here on our A.A.F, but it's not showing, maybe due to some internet delay. So for now I'm closing this screen and turning off the camera. And yeah, Yeah, after and the camera is turned off, and I'm gonna try our voice commands. Here I trained this A.A.F project by using two languages. One is English and another one is Telugu. For I'm gonna use both voice commands, and I'm turning on the voice commands via mobile app. And here, yeah, it will take a couple of seconds to turn on the voice commands. And here I am checking to turn on the flight traps by saying in English, turn on flight traps, and it will take few seconds. Yeah, and here as you can see the fly traps are turned on, and I'm gonna turn off the fly traps by saying in my native language Telugu, fly traps off chey. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see the fly traps are turned off, and like this I trained for every voice model for each and every device, and I'm gonna skip everything because everyone is going to be work on same, like so. And I'm saying another thing, to turn off voice commands by saying voice command, turn off voice command. And as you can see in our mobile app, the voice commands also turned off, so it means the voice commands is not gonna work from now. And for example, I'm gonna demonstrate that. Turn on lights. Yeah, as you can see the lights are not going to turn on here, so our app is working fine, and the voice commands are also working fine. Now now I'm going to show the internal structure and how I connected the entire circuit on this plastic box. For that I'm going to remove all these devices, and I'm going to open up this box, and these are the internal connections of our A.A.F. Here as you can see, this is the Maxidino development kit, and here is our uh, ESP32. I don't know how you can see that, and this is the ESP32, and these are the two relays which actually turn on and off our devices. And our project is running on battery, so I am using two 18650 3.3 volt batteries, and here is the main switch which is useful to turn on this app, and here is the buzzer, and this is pretty much everything. I'm using an external ESP32 because the onboard one is only connected to one UART connection, but I need three UART connections due to one for voice commands, and another for the camera control, and third one for the normal serial data communication, like turning on and off the switch devices like motors and something. So that's why I'm using the external ESP32 rather than the onboard one. So if you don't need all these stuff, you can use the onboard one. If you use that, it will take some time, it will delay by to turn off the device. So that's why I am using this ESP32, and this is all. And finally, I want to thank DigiKey for delivering this development go for very fast. And also, I want to special thank to Circuit Digest and their team for buying this development kit behalf of me. Thank you, Circuit Digest. Thank you, DigiKey. And this is about my project. Thank you.